Okay guys, welcome back to Edinburgh. This is part 2 of Everywhere to Eat along George Street. If you haven't seen part 1, I'll leave a link above you just now. Click on that to watch part 1, which is basically the opposite side I'm going today. I'll show you all the restaurants and bars along George Street, and today we're just going to walk along the right hand side of George Street going towards the west end of Edinburgh. So we're going to continue this tour now. So this is the first restaurant we're going to. It's like a pizzeria. Give you an idea on menu. I've never been to that place, but I have been in for a drink once. They do beers in there and cocktails. So if you are new to the channel guys, my name is Michael. I do food and travel vlogs here and all around Edinburgh. I'm a local, so I'll try and give you the honest advice as I can and try to help make your journey to Edinburgh a lot smoother and easier for you. One thing that viewers have always said to me is they want to know where to eat, so I thought doing a series of these videos will help you plan your trip to where you want to go for something to eat. Obviously cost is a big factor on people's trips, so I'll give you an idea of what prices are like. There's always a fire engine going off somewhere here in Edinburgh. Now, you've got the Dome. Everybody that comes to Edinburgh visits the Dome. You've got to visit the Dome, especially at Christmas, where they've got the nice tree, all the lights set up. They do food in there. There's a menu there, let's go and check that out. It's also a bar as well, I believe. Okay, so like the starters and then main courses. Steak pie, $18.50. Wow. But they also do some deals as well, like 2 courses for $19.50, 3 courses for £25. Available 12 to 6:30 every day. So if you like having dinner before 6:30, go and check out the Dome. You got a wee deal going. So any of your nightclub fans out there, this is Why Not, posh place. It's actually just there on the left hand side, just down that alleyway. And then you've got another nightclub here, Shanghai, which is just down here next to Le Monde. Very posh place, very good cocktails in there. Shanghai's only obviously open at night time. It's a club. So here's your menu for Le Monde. Okay, just give you an idea on prices here guys. They also have an outside area as well, where they've got cocktails here. Gives you an idea on prices. You can sit outside, have a drink during the nice weather at the festival, or any other time. I think it goes away at Christmas time. You've got the Hard Rock Cafe. Never been. Went to one on holiday. I didn't really experience it well enough to say I've enjoyed it or not. But they do food and drink, fancy food. Naturals £13, so one different expensive place here. Pulled pork sandwich £15. Gives you an idea. Obviously we've got the merch as well, so you can buy their tops at the shop. Okay, let's continue. So this is following on for part 1. I will say again, if you've not seen it, go back and check my videos out for part 1, Everywhere to Eat on George Street. This is part 2, but we're just going to continue walking along here.
By the way, UK's the only country in the world that does it.
Okay, you've got Starbucks for your coffee, and you've got Black Sheep Coffee, another coffee place in competition with Starbucks. Two coffee shops next to each other. Very interesting. Right, what do we have here? There's a place here. Right. Elo's. That's a nightclub. Cocktail and live music. Yeah. And then they've got another cafe place down here. No menu. Just like a wee, not that fancy place, but gives you an idea. Right, we're coming up to the assembly rooms where there will be performances here on George Street at the assembly rooms. They're currently still in preparation, whatever they're building. You can see this part of George Street's closed off. It looks like the building stages probably inside the assembly rooms. I think this place on the left hand side needs no introduction. So Witherspoons, the Standing Order, very popular place here in Edinburgh. I really don't need to show you the menu, I think you all know the prices in here. Cheap drink, cheap food. Yep, quite big in there too, so a lot of space. Busy in the weekends, busy during the Fringe Festival. Yeah. The Standing Order that needs no introduction. Okay, we're about halfway along now. Starts to get a wee bit quieter here on the left hand side. Less places to eat. Got a couple of good places coming up, so make sure you stick about. If you like steaks, I might have the perfect steakhouse for you. So you've got another place here that's doing Fringe Festival acts, Newtown Theatre. It's nice of them to put disability access, but there's quite a lot of performances happening here. It's the only time of the year that you see all these places open. Right, I had a treat for you. If you like steaks, try out Fazenda. It's like an all-you-can-eat steakhouse. You pay a fee and they come round with steaks. You turn over a card and then they give you obviously more meat. Give you an idea here. Evenings is £50, £33 for lunchtime, and then you have all these sides here that you can order, but I think you get unlimited sides as well, so that price is including your sides, so it's very, very good if you like to have steak and sides. You got a lot of sides, but it's like an all-you-can-eat basically buffet. You pay £50 and you get steak, all different cuts, and then all the sides you want, but I think you're only allowed to order 2 at a time. But if you want to try that place out, give them a look on Google, book them in because they will be busy, to give you an idea on times. Lunch they open till 12 till 3, Saturday half 11 to half 2, then evening half 3 to 9 o'clock, and then 16:30 to 10 o'clock at night last sitting. So I'll give you an idea, guys, if you want to visit Fazenda. Once again, if you look to your left on Castle Street, you can see the beautiful view of the castle. Now we're not going to go down Castle Street today, but there are a few places to eat down there, but we're just going to continue along George Street. We're nearly at the end now. I think there's one more place, actually 2 more places I think, along here that you can try out. One of them you already probably know. Okay, so the next place we're coming up to is another Wetherspoons, and that's the Alexander Graham Bell. Alexander Graham Bell. Fairly popular. Once again, I don't need to show you the menu. You already know how much Wetherspoons costs. I think everybody knows where Wetherspoons is. Okay, we're coming up to the end of George Street, and we have one more place here. Baba, what do they do? Baba does a grill, sides, sweets, snacks. Yep. You an idea on price? Baba. So if you want to visit Baba, give them a try. I believe it's all this area here, so it's actually bigger than what it looks. But that brings us to the end of the video, my friends. That is everywhere to eat on George Street. And as I say, George Street is not as busy as the Royal Mile, but they have great food places for you guys to come and try, so make sure you do. So I'm going to end the video there, my friends. If you are new to the channel, it's completely free, so give it a subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications and hit that thumbs up because that's free also. So anyway guys, I'm going to say thanks for watching. Take care, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.